Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Web3, where we unpack the wild, wonderful world of NFTs, blockchain, and the creators shaping it. I'm Gucita.
And I'm Crypto Dilly, your co-host, and today we're bringing you another video for AIP 440. Huge shout out to ApeCoin and AIP 440 for making this video possible. If you don't know what that is, and you're a builder in the space that's building on ApeChain, or you accept ApeCoin, definitely go to our website, fill out the form, and see about being featured in a future video.
Today we're unboxing the story of a trailblazing artist, a Web3 pioneer, fellow Bored Ape Yacht Club member, and a dear friend of mine. Get ready to meet Blue Eyed Queen, aka the Ape Goddess.
Blue Eyed Queen was born in Detroit, Michigan, and she describes herself as a differently abled artist. She was born with sacral agenesis, which is a condition that affects the spine and her mobility. But let me tell you, nothing slows her down.
Yeah, Blue's definitely a force of nature. Not only is she a physical artist and a mural artist, but she has 2 NFT collections on ApeChain. And get this, she's a TEDx alumni speaker.
So I went from a wheelchair and full body braces to a walker, and then a walker to crutches. And now you can't catch me out of the club on the weekend. I'm always dancing. Right? Hey, yo.
Also a co-author, and her resume is stacked too. She's former legal at You the Labs.
She's also the owner of an NBA brand, the Ape Goddess, which is all about art, advocacy, and accessibility. A good example of this is her children's book, The Tales of Coco, a service animal. It's a heartwarming tribute to her service dog, Coco, which teaches kids about disability awareness.
And her faith keeps her grounded. Blue says prayer helps her see beauty in every moment, even the tough ones. That's the kind of energy she pours into her work, whether it's a massive abstract canvas or a sold out NFT collection.
Blue's all about inclusivity too. Her art is tactile, so it uses 3D textures, so even visually impaired can actually connect with her artwork.
Ideally, you want to take a look at some of this art?
Hell yeah, let's see it.
All right, so this piece is one of my favorites. It was a gift. Check it out. You can see the tactile, aspect to the art where it comes off the screen, so like you can engage with it. This is a beautiful piece, and each piece of hers comes with a emotion or a story behind what energy she feels was put into the piece.
I love the different colors and the clash of the different colors on the piece, and it kind of resonates with me because you can kind of feel the energy where she's like striking the paint onto the canvas, exemplify, anger or some type of emotion, which is really neat.
Yeah, for example, the second piece here. And so this piece called Toughness, there's a line in her description that I really want to share because I think it's pretty dope. She says, "I'm a quotable person because I have a disability and I'm easily targeted because of my stature, but I can stand tall in front of you. My heart is like a lion. It will take a fierce amount of energy to take me down. I'll go, huh?"
That's pretty cool. You can tell she's a force to be reckoned with. And honestly, I mean, she has art from Miami street murals to, art galleries in 38 countries. So what I like about this is it shows that you don't just have to fit into a box, like you can break those boundaries.
So if you like her art or interested in that children's book, make sure you follow her on her socials. You can buy all these products with ApeCoin.
Speaking of spending ApeCoin, let's flip to the blockchain. Blue Eyed Queen also launched one of the top 10 ApeChain NFT collections called Vibrant Energy, which you can go purchase today. And this is a digital representation of her physical art, which is vivid and bold.
And she didn't stop there. Blue dropped the second NFT collection titled 555, which according to Blue is an angel number, a very important number standing for change and growth.
Plus, she's teaching artists to jump into Web3 with her free NFT masterclass. She's empowering creators to create art and put it on the blockchain. So she's not just creating art, she's building a legacy.
It's wild to think how one artist can do so much navigating the daily challenges that Blue does, but Blue will outperform any of us. She's proof that limitations are just a mindset, and her work's a vibe check for the whole Web3 space. Create, connect, and keep it real. So Dilly, you want to hear some Blue Alpha?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Right, so just follow along with her. I'm talking coming up here. She's working on things that involve robotics, exoskeletons. I'm not gonna tell you too much. Just follow along and check her story out as it unfolds.
That's pretty exciting. I like the AI revolution and where things are headed. So if she's involved in that, I'm definitely going to be following her socials. That's for sure. So that's a wrap on Blue Eyed Queen, the Web3 warrior. Turning resiliency into art speaks to the soul. Big thanks to ApeCoin and the AIP 440 for helping make this video possible.
You want more Web3 goodness? Make sure you follow and subscribe to our Unboxing Web3 X profile and also our YouTube channel.
So that's it for this one, guys. See you next week in the next video. Peace.